Okay, so hi honeys, how are you? Tanya Shylock here, and of course, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So for today's vlog, actually, as you have seen from the thumbnail, the title of the vlog, I'm going to be unboxing my 18-inch ring light, which I have just got right now, going on over here. So this is it. I bought this from Kampala, Uganda here, from Nakasero Plaza, of course, in the center of Kampala, at around 435 Ugandan shillings. Yes, so I'll be doing all the conversion on my screen, like the dollar and the euros, all that. I'm going to be leaving it on my screen right now. Another thing, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm Tanya Shylock. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Please do consider subscribing and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I have a new vlog up. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's just dive into the unboxing vlog right now. Okay, so you guys, this is how it does look from the distance or from the far. Hopefully you can see very well. This is 18-inch LED soft ring light. Initially I wanted to purchase this from Jumia Uganda during Black Friday, but I would not wait. I wouldn't wait. We are almost in December, and December, it's 1 month for content creators actually to make a little bit much more money. So I don't wanted to have some deliveries delayed and all that other stress. I said, you know what, let me just go in, buy this from Kampala at that particular price I have told you. So this comes with a tripod, which is over here. Yes, which is over here. So this is the tripod that actually comes with. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using my scissors over here, and I unbox everything. Okay, so you guys, this is how the box does look like from this side. I think you can see very well. It comes with this feature going on over here, which is saying free spin. It comes with some soft light, of course. Then you can dim the light also. And lastly, you can have 3 multiple phones, as you see her put onto the same ring light or tripod. And this is how the back does look like, all the instructions and everything you have to expect, of course, in this particular package. Okay, so by the way, another thing that you guys, I did not tell you, the 18-inch ring light, it actually comes with a package, not a package, but actually a bag. So when you get it out, this is how it actually does look like. This is actually how it does look like over here. Before the vlog ends, I'm going to be showing you the ring lights that I did start up my channel with. I bought them from Jumia Uganda or Jumia website in 2019 at I think at around 60,000 Ugandan shillings. I promise to show you those, to show you my journey, where I've come from. This time around, I said let me invest in something which is huge. Do we have anything inside here? We don't have anything. I think you can already see. And open up the zippers for you guys to be able to see. Okay. Okay, so you guys, this is how it does look going on over here. Hopefully you can see very well. This is such a huge kind of a ring light compared to what I had initially, and I'm very proud of you guys for always supporting me. I'm happy all over the place. It's just because now I think the temperature has reduced, And on the sides here for the bag, which actually comes with a ring light, it comes with a zipper, a small other compartment. Okay, so we have a remote going on over here. Okay, so I think these are the tripods. Yes, I think these are the tripods going on over here. There are very many actually. But you guys, this is actually how the 3 other tripods do look like. These tripods have actually come also as, I think, not a substitute, but a gadget. English is not easy. But anyway, do we have anything in here? I think we don't have. So the other thing that I want to unbox that comes with a ring light, it is actually the tripod going on over here. So this is the tripod. Where is my scissors? So this is the tripod for the ring light. So I'll just cut from here or loosen from here, whatsoever you want to say it. Okay, so this is the tripod. Okay, so you guys, this is it going on over here. So this is the tripod. Let me first see how tall this is. I'll just unfix it from here for you guys to see. I want to actually see how tall this thing is. So that is the base going on over there. There is a first screw going on over here. Okay, so you guys, I think this is pretty tall. Yes, I think this is pretty tall, but I don't actually need all this length, if that makes sense. But I think that it is pretty tall because it is taller than me, as you see going on over here. Guys, another thing that I had not told you that comes with a ring light, it is this wire going on over here. It is pretty tall, which I love because as you know that we are not going to live in this room forever. We are building a studio, we are having other plans, meaning that when we upgrade to a new space, this will be very, very important to counteract the distance from the socket and the main electricity supply. So hopefully there you can see, guys, very, very well. And you see this part going on over here. I think that is where this cable enters into the ring light. Yes, so I'll just put it in just like this. I think just like this. Yeah, I think just like that. And I'll just plug this into electricity so that we can see the lighting we get, of course, from this big boy going on over here. Before actually I switch it on, I also want to recognize that it comes with a remote going on over here. So this is the remote. Hopefully you guys, you can see very, very well. So I'll just remove it. Another amazing thing is that it comes with batteries. You see these small batteries, which I'm also a lover for. Very, very simple. You can coordinate your ring light at a distance without even moving, which I was actually dying for, to get a ring light that I can control with a remote. I've worked so hard, I said, you know what, I have to invest in such a beautiful thing, So I'll just pop the batteries in, going on over here and going on over there. So it is full on. This is the turn on button. So okay, so wow, I love this. It is so bright. I think you can see already. And I think you can change the light here on section. Yes, so you can change the light to yellow, as you see going on over here. I'm also actually a fan of this lighting, but most of the time I don't love to use it, especially when I'm doing makeup. But yeah, so this is mixed light. Yes, this is mixed light, and you can do increase on the saturation. You can also increase on the lighting. There is actually also a night mode. I think you can see the night mode. Yeah, this is the night mode, which is a little bit dimmed light, more of dimmed light, not so bright, but fairly bright, which I'm also a fan of. And I love very, very, very absolutely much. Another thing that I wanted to show is that you can actually also alter the lighting going on over here. There are two buttons here. Hopefully you can see these two buttons over here. You can alter the lighting with them as much as you can. There is also this one. I believe this is the one for white light. Yes, you can also increase, you can also reduce. I'm very happy and proud of you guys and myself, of course, for working so hard to the moment in time that we can afford that, that in the background. Currently, I want to put on the camera so that you guys can see how the lighting of that ring light does look like. Then after, I can show you my older ring lights that I actually was using for all this long. Okay, so you guys, these are the two buttons that actually I was telling you about. I believe this is one of the tripods that I told you about earlier on, and you just rotate it onto the ring light just like this, and I think I'm supposed to mount my phone over there. Yes, so I'm going to be mounting on my phone, and we actually see how the lighting does look like from all the dimensions. Okay, so you guys, actually currently I have mounted everything on the ring light. I can't show you in any way, except I'll show you, I think, from my mirror going over here. Yes, so you guys, I think you can see yourself. That is where you are. So currently I want to turn it on, and we see how the lighting does look like. So that is how the lighting, this is white light. I've just placed on white light, and that is how it does look onto my face. I just believe that it looks so beautiful and absolutely stunning going on over there. So let us change to yellow light. Yeah, that is how yellow light does look like. It is very, very yellow, but I think I told you earlier on, you can go on to alter everything, reduce, you can reduce the saturation, you can increase on the circulation, as I've just done over there. Yeah, so that is how actually it does look like. I'm very, very happy, and I can't stop to thank you guys. Thank you very much for the love and support on my YouTube channel. Some of these things I wouldn't have attained in my life or thought about in my life without you guys giving me constant love and support through watching my videos, through sharing my videos, through liking my videos. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for also supporting Tanya and Shylock as a brand. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Whenever I share these videos, whenever I like the videos, whenever I leave a comment section, whenever I leave a comment in my comment section below, it means a world to me. Continue doing it because it keeps the fire burning in me to continue creating content. And I appreciate you for all that you are doing for me. Yes, but as I promised, I told you that I'm gonna be showing you my older ring lights. So these are my older ring lights that I bought from Jumia, Uganda in 2019. These are the ring lights I've been using since 2019, November to 2021, and it's high time I say bye-bye to them. Yes, it is high time I say bye-bye to these. These guys were 60,000 Ugandan shillings, emitwalo mukaga. In total, I spent 120,000 Ugandan shillings. They have done me so well. I appreciate them a lot. And we have built an empire of around 2,900 subscribers with this. Yes, so you guys, that is it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget again to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share out with friends and family. Let me meet you in the next vlog. Tanya and Shylock switching out. Bye for now.